So, I'm not an electrician, so this is for entertainment purposes only. This is a circuit for the garage outlets. Now, I had to mess around with them and keep on finding it and take my meter and see where the power is off. So on mine, this slimline breaker right here, where the washer's at, is where my outlets in the garage are hooked up. Now also, where it says down lights, right here, I turn that off. That goes to the switch to the light there, which I'll show you. So the garage outlets are on this 20 amp slimline breaker along with the washer. So that's the number one step. Make sure your power is off, and I already checked to make sure I'm not getting any power over here. And I already went ahead and pulled out all the outlets. So that's the switch. I'm not going to mess with it, but that's the switch to the light right there, and it also controls all the lights downstairs inside. So now this, I'm assuming you can see the two Romex cables there coming in. I'm sure one is coming in from the washer and dryer unit. So it's a little bit tricky because I got my little toolbox in here. You can see your two neutrals right here, and then on the bottom there's your ground. Okay, and then right over here, see that? You got your two hots. It's a little trickier to see. They're black. Black goes to brass, white goes to silver, and son of a gun, it's a little tricky to get in here. Silver goes to your neutrals, and green, which you can't really tell, is your neutrals. Okay, the next outlet is over here. This one you'll be able to see a little bit better. Now this one when they wired it, they did a little bit different. If you notice on the other one, how they had both the hots screwed in there, is what they did with this one, is they pigtailed it there in the back. You see that? And it's the same setup. You got two Romex coming in. See there? And we got, same right here, we got one neutral on the silver and your ground. Okay? Here's the other one. This one, they went back to what they did over there. You got your two neutrals, you got your ground, and then you got your two hots. If you look in there, let's get a better view here. See that? There's no pigtails. Okay. Here's a, this is your GFCI. Okay. Right here, you got your two neutrals. Okay. And on the bottom here, there's your ground. If you come over here, hot. There's your hot, and there's your other hot. It's a little tricky to see in there because of all the paint, but white is neutral, black is hot. Ground is a bare copper wire. Now this outlet is a little different. 20 amp, 125 volt. It's a single outlet. It goes to this. This is for a control for the little water sprinkler system out here. Now, so you got your neutral, you got your ground, then you got your hot. And let's see, you got two Romex cables coming in. So, I'm a little confused about what's going on here, because you got your one coming in, and then you got this other one. So this must continue on. You know what? I just thought of it. It may go out to this over here, which is a your outside receptacle. I ain't gonna tear that one apart, but that's probably what that goes to, unless there's one over here. Yep. So that might come out to this one right here. So, these are all watertight. So that's just a basic overview. But real quick here, before you mess with any of this stuff, a couple things that are good to have. Outlet tester. If there's no power, this is not going to light up. Okay? You got this. Let's tell you if you got a hot wire or not. Always make sure that these work on a known power circuit first. And then you got your voltmeter right here. You know, you turn her on, and black goes to ground, red goes to a hot line. Pretty basic. Always check your shit, because you do not want to get electrocuted. That will hurt. Alright. If I've made any mistakes or anything, just leave a comment or anything. Like I said, I am not an electrician. This is for entertainment purposes only.